My heartiest congratulations to all the stakeholders at Interglobe. I also wish to extend this very warm welcome to all those people who are aspiring to join this exciting journey at Interglobe on this momentous occasion on the 25th anniversary of our company. Well, I have been very, very fortunate to have been part of this long journey. Some of you may not know, but Interglobe Air Transport, which had extensive relationship with various airlines, became the fountainhead of various other businesses that followed subsequently, be it Galileo Distribution, be it Interglobe Technology, Interglobe Hotels, and even Indigo were inspired by the success of the airline representation business that we were doing. In the last 6 years of my working with Interglobe, I've had many sweet experiences. When I joined here way back in 2008, I was heading corporate affairs, and then one day suddenly I got this offer of heading Interglobe Air Transport. Now that is something that I had never done in my life. I had never worked for airline representation or GSA as you may call it, but there was no worry from the management. All Rahul said to me was, say, don't worry, there are enough people who know the business. All you have to do is channel their resources, channel their energies. And that's what I've been doing. Interglobe provides you an atmosphere where you can experiment with your thoughts fearlessly to take your dreams to a logical conclusion. We've seen that happening time and time again. Success is one of the habits at Interglobe. Everything that we do, we succeed, we do our best, and I think is the culture which sort of puts us there. It gives us the empowerment tools to get what we want and to be the very best of it. Another great thing about Interglobe, it believes in long-term relationships, not only with employees, but also the people that we do business with. Some of the people that we've been associated with in the past include airlines which have been represented by Interglobe for many, many, many years. This long-term relationship is a testimony of our character, of the people who work with us. It's an amazing place if you're creative, if you want to do something which is productive. There are no boundaries, there are no walls, there is nobody to stop you. However, there are many people to guide you, to mentor you, to coach you. If you're determined, you're confident, you have brains here, and you want to do something, achieve something, join Interglobe. Be a part of this journey.